In parallel concordancer, users can generate concordant signs from parallel corpora with one-to-one or one-to-many source and target texts. First, you need to open pre-aligned source and target files in Wordless and properly set the file settings. Note that Wordless do not have the functionality for auto-aligning source and target texts, so you need to align the files in advance by other tools or by hand, with every line in each file representing a matched alignment unit, which could be a paragraph, sentence, or any other textual units. Wordless also supports TMX files, and it would automatically split the transition memory file into source and target files. The generated files could be found under the path specified in the Settings panel, General, Import, Temporary Files, Default Path. When files are ready, type in your search term in Search Settings search term, and then click Generate Table. In the results, the column Parallel Unit Number specifies the location of the concordance line in source and target files. The following columns display the parallel texts in each file. If you want to study the phenomenon of addition and deletion in translation, leave the search term blank and click Generate Table again. Then click Yes in the confirmation dialog to display all source texts without translations and all target texts without originals.